Tonight, the Uvalde community will meet with the school district to go over the upcoming school year.
The district pushed the start of the year back until Tuesday next week as the community is still trying to recover from May's shooting at Robb Elementary School that killed 19 students and 2 teachers. The school board scheduled public meetings at 6, 6:30, and 7, and they're going over the year's budget as well as changes to campus security and other aspects of school life following that horrible day. Just last week, the school board officially fired District Police Chief Pete Arredondo. This as numerous reports have blamed him and others for a failed law enforcement response during the Robb Elementary shooting. Young Texans still have access to handguns.
A Texas federal judge ruled it is unconstitutional for the state to ban young adults from carrying a handgun.
As Monica Madden explains, the ruling comes as the Uvalde community amplifies its efforts to try to tighten gun laws.
Ava Morales, Tess Marie Mata, names on signs. A reminder of who these people say they're fighting for.
My sister never got to celebrate becoming double digits. She will forever be 9 years old.
Jasmine Casares lost not one, but 2 family members.
My little sister Jackie and my little cousin Annabelle were killed at the shooting at Robb Elementary.
The 18-year-old gunman killed 21 people in Uvalde with an AR-15 style weapon he bought legally. Family and survivors from other Texas mass shootings took their outrage to the state capitol Saturday, demanding Governor Greg Abbott calls a special session,
raise the age,
to get lawmakers to ban people under 21 from buying an automatic weapon.
You have to be 21 to buy a case of beer, but an 18-year-old bought a gun to kill kids. That does not make sense.
Last week, a federal judge in Fort Worth ruled to loosen age restrictions on young adults for carrying a handgun. Trump-appointed U.S. District Judge Mark Pittman struck down Texas's prohibition on 18 to 20-year-olds getting a license to carry, citing the Second Amendment. He wrote, "The Second Amendment does not have any sort of age restriction. The absence is notable. This law would not have applied to the Uvalde gunman." Abbott has deferred calls for a special session, pointing to interim committee recommendations and a boost in funding for mental health and school safety resources. Monica Madden, KXAN News.
And Texas has 30 days to appeal the judge's ruling. We reached out to the Attorney General's office for comment on the next steps, but did not hear back. Now, looking in depth, there are some notable trends when it comes to the profiles of mass shooters. A 2019 University of Alabama study looked at 36 years worth of shootings. It found more than 80% of shooters obtained their weapons legally. More than a quarter of the attackers were under the age of 25, and nearly 7% were under the age of 18. Of those 18 and older, less than 15% decided to attack a school, but under the age of 18, schools were the primary targets.